is my head, it helps me think. These are my eyes, they help me blink. This is my nose, it helps me smell. This is my tongue, it tastes so well. These are my ears, they help me hear. This is my mouth, to talk and cheer. My teeth can bite, my lips can smile, talking, laughing all the while.
These are my hands, they clap and play. They help me work and wave all day. These are my legs, they help me run. Jumping high is so much fun.
This is my heart, it beats inside. It keeps me strong and full of pride.